Zlendo Realty makes adding doors and windows simple and flexible. Open the Build tool or choose from the model list. Then select doors or windows. Drag the selected model directly onto any wall. Once placed, select the door or window. To customize it easily by dragging or by changing the measurement values. You can replace it with another model from the library. Use the Center Align option. You can copy a door, rotate horizontally or vertically to adjust the opening direction or orientation. To remove an element, simply select it and use the Delete option. Add openings, windows, and door. Now switch to 3D view to see the doors, windows, and openings applied in real time.